Welcome to my channel. What is Orbi Guest Wi-Fi Test Deep Link? Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a Netgear Orbi user, you might have noticed some unusual notifications about something called the Orbi Guest Wi-Fi Test Deep Link. Curious to know what it's all about? Stick around, and we'll explain everything you need to know. If you've been receiving these notifications, there's no need to panic. According to Netgear, these notifications are due to internal testing and were sent out by mistake. What to do if you receive the notification? If you receive a push notification about the Orbi Guest Wi-Fi Test Deep Link, just ignore it. But if you notice any issues with your network, here's what you can do. First, reboot your Orbi system by turning the devices off and on after a 5-minute break. Second, check all cables and connections for any loose ends or damage. Third, update your Orbi system to the latest firmware.